This is our flame. Over the years, it's looked different, but it's always been strong. This remarkable light, it warms, welcomes, connects, guides, protects, sparks, and celebrates. This flame does everything, but it never goes out. Because we tend it together. Through every emergency, every tragedy, every milestone, at every mitzvah, our federation is there, all of us, together. This flame means federation, where your needs are our needs. Your joys are our joys. Your values are our values. Together, we put your values in action.